Rode Streamer X. I think this is still the best device for streamers, solo content creators, and anyone who wants to enhance the quality of video conference by connecting a good camera and microphone to a compact device. And guess what? It has zero real competitors, especially when you consider the price point, just $250 now. But here's the thing, while it's nearly perfect, many users are running into the problems. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix every single issue with the Rode Streamer X. So what's the Rode Streamer X? It's 4K capture card at 30 FPS for stunning visuals, HDR video support for enhanced image quality, dual PC streaming capabilities, XLR line level audio input for professional grade microphone, ultra low noise preamp for high quality recordings, Rode Revolution preamp that powers even demanding microphones like Shure SM7B, professional-grade audio processing including noise gate, compressor, equalizer, de-esser, high-pass filter, built-in customizable sound pads for triggering effects or audio clips, wireless microphone support, wire Rode Streamer 4, headphone output with a zero latency monitoring, USB-C connection, dual USB-C ports, enabling simultaneous PC connections, game console capabilities, compact and portable design, easy setup for and transport. With its rich feature, the Rode Streamer X is truly game changer for content creators and professionals alike. I was actually looking to replace my Elgato Cam Link because I kept having issue with the drop frames and camera detection problems. I also wanted to connect a better microphone to improve my content quality. I tried the Focusrite Vocaster one, but it didn't have all the features I needed. Then I found the Rode Streamer X. I ordered it, set up, and everything worked perfectly in one device. However, that didn't last long. It functioned well until the first reboot, after which the problems began. After the first restart, everything went downhill. The microphone wouldn't be detected, the camera would disappear, and sometimes the software couldn't see the device at all. And guess what? I'm not alone. If you check Rode's support site, their main solution is pretty basic. Just use the included cable and connect directly to your computer. Avoid any hubs. So I tried everything they suggested. I used original Rode cable, connected directly to my laptop, avoid any hubs. Nothing worked. I was ready to pack it up and back to my old setup. But then I tried something completely counterintuitive. I found the old USB hub collecting dust on my drawer and I tried this one. So here what I did. I took the standard USB-C to USB-A cable that comes with the device, plugged a basic USB hub into my laptop, connected the Rode Streamer X through this hub, and something magical happened. Everything started working perfectly. No disconnections, no dropped frames, instant recognition every single time. But wait, it gets better. I want to try something even simpler. I tested a tiny USB-A to USB-C adapter, you know, those small dongles that cost like $2. Guess what? It works just well. What's really interesting is that after this fix, the device is recognized instantly. Nothing disconnects randomly, no frame drops, all features work flawlessly. I've been using this setup for several months now and it's been rock solid. And the best part, you don't even need to use Rode specific cable. Any quality USB cable works fine with this setup. So if you're having issue with your Rode Streamer X, try a basic USB-A hub first. Even an old one might work. Or get a simple USB-A to USB-C adapter. Connect your device through either of these. Now let's tackle another frustrating problem I encountered. After solving the connection issue, I was expected to use my in-ear monitors with the Rode Streamer X, but as soon as I plugged them into a monitoring in output, there was no hissing sound. Here's what I discovered. The issue isn't actually with the Rode Streamer X itself. The problem is many in-ear monitors and headphones don't have enough impedance to handle the interface output properly. This causes them to pick up and amplify unwanted noise from the interface. I did some digging and I found this brilliant solution on Reddit where there are these small devices called inline impedance adapter. They look like tiny extensions for your headphone cable. Now here's exactly what you need. Search for the headphone impedance adapter on Amazon. They come in different values. 75 ohms, 100 ohms, 150 ohms. I'm currently using 150 ohms adapter, but honestly that might be overkill. I'd recommend to start with 100 ohms. It should be perfect for most setups. The setup is super simple. Get the impedance adapter, plug into the monitoring output of your Rode Streamer X, connect your headphones to the adapter. That's it. The hissing completely disappears. In my case, the 150 adapter works, but I think it's reduced the volume a bit too much. That's why I suggest going with the 100 ohms. It should give you perfect balance between noise reduction and volume level. I've been keeping an eye on the market, and there's still nothing that comes close to what this device offers, especially at the price point. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions like this. Drop a comment below if you've discovered other fixes. Let's help each other out. And if you're using Rode Streamer X, let me know how it works for you. Have you tried the solutions? Did they work for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.